do I say that? Star India is a community that we have built very, very successfully over the past year, which only thrives on talent and passionate individuals who want to create a mark for themselves. So first of all, thank you for your time today. Forever Star India holds immense delight in having women like you on board, एंड द ऑडिशन प्रोसेस ऑफ कोर्स जिसके लिए आप सब यहाँ पे हैं. आई थिंक काफी लोग एक्साइटेड हैं, काफी लोग नर्वस हैं. आपकी स्माइल्स थोड़ी थोड़ी कहीं कहीं कम हो जाती हैं, कहीं कहीं ब्राइट हो जाती हैं, बट यू कैन कीप स्माइलिंग. इट्स कंप्लीटली ऑलराइट. दिस इज नॉट एन एग्जाम, दिस इज जस्ट यू टॉकिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ. दिस इज योर टाइम टू शाइन ऑन. So make sure you put your best foot forward. This is you talking about yourself, so it should be as clear, as confident as you can be. Secondly, please keep your conversation in whatever language you're comfortable. लैंग्वेज आपकी सपनों के बीच नहीं आनी चाहिए. तो अगर आप हिंदी में बात करना चाहते हैं, आप हिंदी में बात कीजिए. मुझे पंजाबी भी आती है, so I can manage that also. अगर आप इंग्लिश में बात करना चाहते हैं, even better. Either of the languages work for me. So all the best to each one of you. Now, of course, audition kaise hoga? It's going to be in 2 steps. The first being your interaction with me, that is your introduction. So keep it very short, very crisp. भावनाओं में नहीं बहना है, बहुत सिंपल शब्दों में हम बात करेंगे. And primarily include 2 things. First, your hobbies. Second, why are you here? Why do you want to win that crown of Forever Miss or Mrs. India? And last, we will be starting your dream of becoming a model right away by witnessing you guys perform a ramp walk. 2 rounds, so be conscious कि जल्दी जल्दी में एक नहीं खत्म करना है. 2 rounds means 2 rounds, okay? And you do not have to be nervous at all. I know आप लोगों में से काफी लोग feel कर रहे होंगे कि मैंने पहले कभी नहीं किया है, I don't know how I'm going to perform. It's completely all right. We are here to train you, to guide you, and this is just the beginning. Your talent, your personality should speak for itself. That's it. The criteria are not your ramp walk, your physical attributes. It's just your confidence, how passionate you are to be here on the platform. So all the best to each one of you. I will be calling on one-on-one. I would request everyone कि अपना mic mute कर ले और अपना video on कर ले. Please be conscious जब तक आपकी बारी ना आए आपका mic off रहे, because otherwise the speaker view fluctuates and it creates a problem. So I hope that will be maintained. And of course, before I start, I have to introduce the director of Forever Star India, who's going to be the jury for today. She's facing some technical glitch, so she will be joining soon, but she can see all of you. So jury is always scary, right? But trust me, she is our boss lady. She represents women empowerment in the most truest and the most open heart possible, because she herself knows how hard it is to be a modern young Indian woman today. And how important it is to give the right kind of opportunities to everyone. So again, there she is, Miss Kirti Chaudhary, my favorite human on this planet, and of course our director of Forever Star India, who has been nurturing this project since the past few months, for that matter. So Kirti ma'am, if you give me a nod, I shall start. Great, thank you so much. So let's get started. Let's hear it from Tanya. Hi Tanya, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm very good. What about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. First of all, I love your smile, and let's get to know you. You can start.
Thank you so much. Okay, so my name is Tanaya Abnave. I am 20 years old. I just recently gave NEET entrance exam. I'm eagerly waiting for my results too. Also, I am from Pune, Maharashtra, the educational capital of India. And my hobbies include singing, dancing, reading, writing, sketching. There are lots more, but these are the main ones. Also, I even learn Indian classical music. It's been like 3 to 4 years now that I've been learning Indian classical music, and also Indian classical dance, which is Kathak. Yes, and the reason I want to join this pageant is because I am a huge supporter of the LGBTQ community, and there are many people who don't talk about it yet. People are very much curious about these kind of things, but also they are very scared to talk about these kind of things, because people think that there are not many open-minded people here, but there are, and they have to come out. So I think this platform is the place where I can talk about these kind of things openly. And my parents once told me that people listen to somebody other than nobody. So I think that if I win this, then I will get a face, people will recognize me, and when I become a somebody, that is when I can speak about these kind of things and people will listen to me carefully. Like now, people won't listen to me because they just think that I am a young girl who is very bubbly and stuff, and she is just, overexcited about everything. But when I reach a certain point of success, that time people will listen to me seriously. They will take my talks and stuff seriously. And that's the reason I want to join this pageant, because this will give me a face.
Thank you, Tanya. I love your clarity and I love the noble thought that you're carrying along with yourself. It takes a lot of courage to support a cause like that, which is such a controversial and a negatively affiliated one. But
Yes.
I'm sure you're going to take it to the right level and you're going to represent it correctly. So let's start with your ramp walk now.
Actually, there's some problem that our society has no electricity right now. So that's the reason I don't have that space, because I was going to do that on my terrace. So I have recorded a video beforehand because I knew something would happen. So I have recorded that video and I will be sending that video. So will that be okay?
So you could do it here in the room itself, Sanaya.
Zoom itself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, there's very little space, but still I will. Am I visible?
Yes, we can manage. You can go ahead.
I'll just push my laptop a bit further. Wait a second.
More than enough. You can go ahead.
This is the only space I have right now in my room. But still, I have recorded a video beforehand.
No problem, Tanya. And don't worry, in future, you will be getting a lot to learn from the right experts, and then you will be even more confident, even walking in a very little space. So
yes.
Thank you so much. All the best. And I'll be getting back to you in a while. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let's hear it from Surbhi. Hi, Surbhi. How are you?
Hey, I'm good. How about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can I please know more about you?
My name is Surbhi Sharma and I am from Bareilly. And I'm doing a job in a corporate world. And here I am just because like I'm not from a big city. I'm just from a small place where people are not allowing the girls to do these things. But I want to show them, I want to prove myself like I can do this better, and I can go in the field where no one suggests their child to go. And my hobbies are traveling, photography, and want to become a face, a person. People will recognize me, and people will listen to me, value me. Like this time, no one can value because we are nothing. I am nothing in front of other pupils. So I need to achieve a goal so people can recognize me in a crowd.
Okay. Surbhi, are you nervous?
Yeah, a little.
You don't have to be. It's totally all right. You put out your thought very clearly, and it is all appreciated. I understand where you come from, but trust me, your city does not matter. It does not define your personality at all. You yourself speak on your behalf. I right now do not know where you are from. Right? It's just this frame that I'm seeing. It's just you that I'm seeing. So thank you, and I would love for you to start with your ramp walk.
Yeah, sure. have also a tiny place here.
No problem. We are used to having tiny spaces in the audition, so it's all good.
Okay. Am I visible?
Yeah, you will be visible. You can go ahead.
Okay. Is it okay?
One more round, Surbhi. What is the hurry?
Okay, fine. Wait.
Okay, thank you, Surbhi. Thank you so much. And you could sit back comfortably. I'll be getting back to you in a while.
All right, there's one more thing I would like to add here, Harry. That Surbhi, your walk was good, yes, but why weren't you wearing your footwear? Now, this is for everyone. You're doing a ramp walk, you should be wearing something, right? If you have stilettos, if you have heels at home, please wear your footwear and do your ramp walk. Otherwise, it does not make any sense, right? Barefoot, if you're walking, that will not show what your ramp walk is like, right? So if you can put on some music, if you can put on a nice footwear, so please do that and then do your ramp walk. Thank you.
Thank you, Surbhi. And let's hear it from Redmi 9, जिनका username है. Can I please ask you to unmute? Hi.
Hi, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, it's Redmi aa raha hai. Okay.
Can I please have your name?
Sorry. Yeah, my name is Vidya Panigrahi.
Hi, Vidya. How are
Very
you?
good evening to you. I'm doing great. What about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. And you can start with the introduction.
Okay. So as I said, my name is Vidya. I'm based out of Mumbai. I'm a professional human resource since past 15 years now. As a person, I'm a very ambitious, highly organized, passionate, and a self-dependent woman. I love traveling and I like to meet new people, learn about their lives, their backgrounds. And I usually try to find common backgrounds so that I can make them feel comfortable. Talking about my hobbies, music is again my passion. So, music is a way to vent out my stress, and dancing is a way to express my happiness. So, I believe to be the change that you expect to see. And my life funda is do always push yourself, do not be afraid. Go ahead and achieve your dreams, your goals, challenge yourselves, because that is what will keep you motivated. So that's what it's all about me. And yeah, the another question that you have, the reason behind being a part of this wonderful platform, this beauty pageant, is again to prove to myself and to the society here around, especially for the Indian women who are married, who have kids, who come from the orthodox and traditional family, to change their perspective, looking at the women, having them, always being judged about what they wear, what they do, their work, and especially this modeling glamour world has been seen at a very different way. So I want to change that perspective. Even females who are from good families, good backgrounds, again, this is a good career, a good option to go for, live your dreams. So there is nothing as in good and bad. It's all what you think. It's all your perspective. So if I win, this would be the message to all the women out there. So it would be a victory for all of them.
Wonderful, Vidya. I love your clarity that you have, that, it's all set in your head what you want to communicate, what you want to represent. And on the same note, I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll try and do it in my passage. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Vidya, in case you've started, आपका video stuck है, so please keep a check of it because we can't see you at all. Okay, I think she got disconnected. Moving forward, let's hear it from Vibha. Hi, Vibha. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. And I, would love for you to start with your introduction.
Sure. I'm Vibha Gajpie. I'm married to Nagarjun Thore and we have a 3.5 years old daughter. I did my graduation, and after my graduation, I worked with a few companies, and right now I'm working with a multinational company. I'm from Bombay. I'm from Navi Mumbai. The reason why the reason why I have participated in this beauty contest is it was my dream, very old dream when I was young. Now I'm 40. Okay, so when I was in my college days, I actually wanted to get into uh, daily soap, or modeling or something. But because of family, I come from a middle class family. So obviously you have family pressure, and then I was being raised by a single mom. So then we have to listen to our what we say uncles, aunts, and then too much of family pressure. So I was never able to do, or I was never able to achieve, what I wanted to do. So it was always studies, and then you get married, and then you get busy with your uh, life, with your children and everything. So now, as we all know that, because of pandemic, many people have lost their job, and many people are working from home. So I thought, it's just a right time for me where, I have time where I can, and even my husband is very supportive. So I thought, why not give a chance? So I always wanted to do something. So now for me, it is a right chance. And, so I just thought that, let's try. And that's why I'm here.
Wonderful, Vibha. I love the honesty and I appreciate it. It takes a lot of courage to put out your insecurities and your journey out there. So, Vibha, one thing that I would like you to answer is there anything else that you enjoy apart from modeling, your hobbies, I mean?
I love cooking. That's the thing which we usually do. But yes, I love dancing. Whenever we go out with friends, I'm the one who will dance till the end, whatever dance it is. I am not a trained dancer, but yes, Bollywood dancer, little bit bhangra, whatever music you play, and I'm ready to dance. So yes, my hobby is dancing.
Thank you so much, Vibha. And I would request you to start with your ramp walk. And Vidya, start, once Vibha is done, okay? आप disconnect हो गए थे, तो I had to move on. Thank you, Vibha. Thank you so much. And it was lovely hearing from you. I'll get back to you in a while.
Sure.
Vidya, आप अपना रैम वॉक स्टार्ट कर लीजिए. you, Vidya. Thank you so much. You could sit back comfortably and I'll move forward to Daksha.
Yeah.
Hi, Daksha. How are
Thank
you?
you.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. आप बताइए.
So, namaste everyone. My name is Daksha Rupani and I'm born and brought up in Varanasi and I'm currently pursuing my graduation in BSc in Interior Designing from Mount Carmel College, Bangalore. And I would describe myself as a really hardworking, passionate and an optimistic person. And I'm really fascinated with the interior designing and I love exploring new things and I express myself through acting and dancing. So my parents have been my biggest source of inspiration for me. They have supported me and made me believe in the power of my dreams. And now talking about my achievements, and I have been crowned as Miss Teen Indie for the beauty pageant called Miss Teen India 2020. And I've participated in International II Month for the year 2018. And I've also secured 1 gold and 2 silver medals in aerobics and gymnastic competition. And my target for coming to Forever Miss India is like I really want to like inspire other girls who are willing to come to this beauty pageant, but they don't get permission or regarding to home issues or something. So I really wanted to be an inspiration for them that this field is not wrong and they should do like whatever they want and whatever they like. And as rightly said by someone, a journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. And for me, participating in this competition is that step. So looking forward for to be a part of Forever Miss India 2021. Thank you, ma'am.
Daksha, it was not just your posture to show enough that you were prepared, but even your introduction spoke for itself. Very well put up, and appreciation for the preparation. And it shows that you are very sure of what you want in your life. It shows how simple you are. So let's start with your ramp walk. I don't think I have anything to say because it was all just very clean and perfect. Go ahead.
Yeah, ma'am, I have music prepared. So can I play the music?
Absolutely. Everybody would, get hyped up, I guess.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. That's it.
Thank you, Daksha. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Even I am good, and after seeing your performance, I'm feeling much, much better. Yes, you've changed the vibe of today's audition completely. You've made it very positive. And I added this in the beginning that you should add some music, wear some nice footwear, and then start with your walk. It automatically makes you so positive. You feel like walking when you have some music, right? और जब म्यूजिक नहीं होता है तो आप किस बीट पे वॉक कर रहे हो, क्या आपका पेस होना चाहिए, आपको पता ही नहीं चलता है. But kudos to you. Your preparation was on point. Your dress is looking lovely. You are looking lovely. You've chosen the perfect spot for your ramp walk, right? So I'm totally hoping to see you in the training sessions. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Daksha. Thank you. And let's hear it from Soumi Roy. Hi, Soumi. I hope I pronounced your name right.
Yes, it's right.
Okay. So how are you?
Good evening to everyone. I'm Soumi Roy. I'm almost 18 years old. I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal. And talking about my hobbies, I love painting. I love sketching, and I also love photo shoots. I also love photography. Talking about my achievements, I've represented my school in state level as an athlete for 300 and 400 meter race. I've also been into sports. I've 2 years before getting my diploma in painting. as well as I'm a trained classical dancer.
There's so much to even take. How are you doing it? My God. So what classical dance are you trained for, Shomi, if you don't mind answering?
Indian classical dance.
Indian classical. Wonderful, wonderful. So let's start with your ramp walk, yeah?
Sure.
Before that, I have to ask, how can I forget? Why are you here? There is an athlete in you, there is a dancer in you, but what brings you here today?
I accept the fact that it's going to be a great career booster for me, but apart from that, there are certain things that I want to change, including the social taboo of parents not allowing their girls for getting into the modeling industry because they consider it not to be safe as much as other industries. So I've never seen a young girl go up to their parents and express their interest about getting into the modeling industry. So I want that to happen, and I want Indian parents to change their mentality and be happy to send their daughters to the modeling industry. That's my main goal, I think.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, Shomi, we can start with your ramp walk.
Sure. Is that all?
Shomi, one more round we can have, if it's possible.
Okay, then.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. I think we can work on the speed a little. Why so much hurry? Where do you have to go?
Oh, sorry. I hope it improves.
It's okay. It's okay. I understand. I guess you're a little nervous, I think, but I'm not sure. But
Oh, that way.
it's okay. Don't worry. You have a lot of potential, Shomi, and it's going to translate you into a really long career, I'm sure, in a really good career for that matter. Thank you so much for your time, and I would move forward to Sona, who has been really moving head and forth. Hi, Sona. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
Am I audible?
जी जी, आप बिल्कुल साफ सुनाई दे रही है आपकी आवाज.
मेरा नाम स्वीटी कुंवर है. वो मेरा निक नेम है, सोना कुंवर.
आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ दोबारा से?
स्वीटी कुंवर.
स्वीटी, वाओ जी. चलो जी स्वीटी जी, बताइए कैसे?
स्वीटी, हाँ. और मैं धुले डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हूँ. मेरा गांव में एक छोटे टाउन से हूँ, मतलब. तो और मेरा ग्रेजुएशन, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में हुआ है. मेरे गांव में से मैं अकेली लड़की हूँ जो इतनी पढ़ी हूँ, एमटेक तक. मतलब है अभी पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन अब मेरा ग्रेजुएशन हो गया. अब इस साल मैं पास आउट हूँ. और मेरी हॉबीज है जिम करना, खेलना, ट्रैवलिंग बहुत. और मैं इस शो में आना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि आप मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल देख रहे होंगे. ऐसा ही मेरे गांव की लड़कियों का है, और उनकी शादियां मोस्ट ऑफ 14 और 16 एज में हो जाती है. ज्यादातर लड़कियां भागकर शादी कर लेती हैं. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ऐसे कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म पे होगी जहां से मैं उनसे बात कर सकती हूँ. वो मुझे देखेंगी, मुझसे इंस्पायर होगी. और यही है. बाकी
अरे स्वीटी जी, बहुत ही प्यारी स्टाइल है आपकी. एंड आपका जो थॉट है स्वीटी जी, ये बड़े शहरों की लड़कियों में भी नहीं होता है. तो ये मत सोचिए कि आप छोटे शहर से हैं तो आप किसी से कम हैं. आप जितनी क्लैरिटी से बात कर रही हैं कि आपको क्या आगे जाके करना है, यू वांट टू मोटिवेट एंड यू वांट टू रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फॉर वुमेन. बहुत बढ़िया बात है जी.
और मैंने ग्रेजुएशन पूना से किया है, मेरा मैकेनिकल. तो वहां पे एक इंसिडेंस हुआ था, वो मैं शेयर करती हूँ. जो ओल्ड एज, मतलब ओल्ड एज के जो लोग होते हैं उन्हें जो छोड़ देते हैं सब. तो मुझे उन्हें देखे सब बहुत ही बैड फील होता है कि मैं कुछ इनको मदद कर सकती हूँ, कुछ हेल्प कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन मैं नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि मेरे पास उतना ये नहीं है और मैं किसी को बोल भी नहीं सकती। मेरे पास कांटेक्ट भी नहीं है कि कुछ करो इनके लिए। तो एक बार वहाँ मैं जहाँ पे बस स्टॉप पे खड़ी थी, तो एक एजेड, बहुत ही एजेड थे वो, और वो गिर गए थे। वहाँ के सब लोग देख रहे थे उन्हें और पूछे, कोई भी हेल्प नहीं कर रहा था। तो मैंने वहाँ पे बस स्टॉप पे जाके बोला उन्हें कि कोई तो मदद करो, और मुझे वहाँ पे रोना आ गया, कोई उन्हें हेल्प नहीं कर रहा था। तो मैंने मेरे पास मेरे फ्रेंड से सबको कॉल करने को बोला, एम्बुलेंस वाले को कॉल कर दिया। 3-4 एम्बुलेंस एक साथ आ गए। तो वहाँ के लोग क्या बोलते हैं, तुम्हें क्या जरूरत थी, तुमने क्यों कॉल किया? अरे मैं बोली, वहां पे एक बुजुर्ग पड़ा है और आप उसकी दशा देख रहे हो, उसकी हालत भी नहीं थी। तो वो बोल, अरे वो बेवड़ा है, क्या देख रहे हो तुम, कुछ भी बात करती हो। तो मुझ पे उल्टा चिल्ला रहे थे वो। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं जब ऐसे पोजीशन पे जब होगी तो लोगों से बात कर सकती हूँ, मेरे थॉट्स उन तक पहुंचा सकती हूँ। मेरा
वंडरफुल स्वीट। जब आप दिल से बात करती हैं, आप कॉन्फिडेंटली बात करती हैं, तो ये मत सोचिए कि आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हैं। जब आपने दिल की, आपने 2 बार सोचा भी नहीं, आप झिझके भी नहीं। तो चलिए अब आपके राम वॉक के साथ शुरू करते हैं।
ओके मैम, मैं विजिबल हूँ?
जी जी, आप बिल्कुल विजिबल हैं, आप स्टार्ट कर सकती हैं। Thank you, sweetie. Thank you so much. And I'll get back to you in a while, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So next we have Asifa, who has been really excited, I guess. Hi, Asifa. How are you?
I'm good. How's you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. You can start your introduction.
Yeah. So myself, Asifa here. I am 22 years old. I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm a fashion designer. I recently completed and I am working freelance designing too. And I love modeling. I'm very passionate towards my work, like pattern making, fashion illustration, stitching, painting, printing, surface ornamentation too. And I want to be someone in life to whom knows everyone. So yeah, I thought that this platform is very much better to bring the best out of me. So yeah, I am here.
Wonderful. So you want to become a successful model in life, yeah, fashion designer? Be very honest.
Model.
Okay. Love the honesty there, and I would love for you to start with your ramp walk.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I play music?
Absolutely. Go ahead. And I will be getting back to you in a while. Thank you. Next, we have Tanishka. Hi, Tanishka. How are you?
हेलो मैम।
कैसी हैं आप?
जी बहुत अच्छी हूँ। एक्चुअली मेरा नाम नेहा है, तनिष्का मेरी डॉटर का नाम है।
ओके तनिष्का जी, आई मीन नेहा जी, बताइए अपने बारे में प्लीज।
हेलो मैम, मेरा नाम नेहा है। मैं एक मदर हूँ। मेरी 5 साल की छोटी बच्ची है। दूसरी बात, मैंने लॉ की पढ़ाई की है, सोशल वर्क में मास्टर की पढ़ाई की है, और मेरे खुद की एनजीओ है जो मैं चलाती हूँ। तो उसका काम ऐसा रहता है कि हम ये वुमेन्स के लिए प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, लाइक वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट या चाइल्ड बर्थ, फीमेल चाइल्ड बर्थ इंक्रीज करने के लिए हम काम करते हैं। और मैं आज यहाँ पे इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि सबसे पहले तो ये मुझे बहुत मतलब मेरा सपना था कि मैं भी ऐसे शो में पार्ट करूँ, क्योंकि मैंने बचपन से मेरे कलर के वजह से बहुत कुछ सहा है। अभी मैं तो इतनी पढ़ी हूँ, मैं तो एक बात ध्यान में नहीं रखती, लेकिन जो फेस किया है वो बता रही हूँ। और मेरी हॉबीज है, मुझे डांस करना अच्छा लगता है, और दूसरी बात मुझे लोगों की हेल्प करना, जो कि मैं मेरे एनजीओ के माध्यम से करती हूँ। मैं पुणे महाराष्ट्र से हूँ, मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से हूँ। इसमें मुझे मेरे हस्बैंड, मेरी फैमिली वो सब सपोर्ट करते हैं, इसलिए आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Neha. It takes a lot of courage to talk about your insecurity, and clearly, आपका color, आपकी age, आपकी physical attribute does not define your personality. You know, you represent the modern Indian women who is working hard not just for herself but to give the society also back in the right kind of way. Thank you, and आप अपनी रामबॉक के साथ शुरू कर सकती हैं.
Yes, ma'am. दो मिनट में
जी.
मैम, क्या मैं विजिबल हूँ?
जी जी, आप विजिबल हैं. You can start.
मैम,
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much. And now I would request everyone to pay attention and start as soon as they can. So हम एक छोटा सा wind up कर लेते हैं बीच में, ताकि जिन लोगों का already हो गया है, they can take the leave. And for everybody who is pending, do not worry. I will be completing the auditions for everyone. But just so that the information is spread out evenly and we can create a more healthier space, because there are quite a few number of people in the meeting. So, of course, for those who have completed and even who will be completing, congratulations on completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. It has been an absolute pleasure knowing each one of you, meeting each one of you, and I'm sure you're going to add a lot of value to the platform. Now, even for the ones who haven't done yet, and even for the one that who are done, मैं एक चीज बहुत क्लैरिटी के साथ बोल सकती हूँ, वो ये है कि आप लोग सब एक दूसरे से बहुत डिफरेंट हो. बैकग्राउंड्स डिफरेंट हैं, एक्सपीरियंसेस डिफरेंट हैं, यू नो, द पर्सनालिटी इज वेरी डिफरेंट, बट देयर इज वन थिंग कॉमन, अगर आप सबने ऑब्जर्व की हो, द इंटेंशन टू क्रिएट अ यूनिक आइडेंटिटी फॉर योरसेल्फ. कि जब मैं बोलूं तो लोग मुझे सुने एंड मुझे सीरियसली सुने. दे शुड लिसन मी फॉर हु आई एम, दे शुड नोटिस मी फॉर हु आई एम. एंड एस्पिरेशन अलग अलग हो सकती है, किसी के लिए मॉडलिंग, किसी के लिए एक्टिंग, किसी के लिए फैशन डिजाइनिंग, बट द फाइनल गोल इज to be known by your name, and that is what you all are here for. And that is exactly what we are looking for, because it's not just about your physical attributes, it's not just about your background. Do not worry अगर आपको इस background, इस industry का कोई idea नहीं है, we are here to take you forward in the right way. So of course ऑडिशन कंप्लीट हो चुका है जिन भी लोगों का, बारिंग द वंस हु आर येट टू कंप्लीट. आपको विद इन 24 to 48 आवर्स एक ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट भेजी जाएगी, बारिंग द वीकेंड. ऑफ कोर्स संडे इज एन ऑफ फॉर अस, सो इट विल बी सेंड टू यू वाया व्हाट्सएप और ईमेल. और ये ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट क्यों? बिकॉज सी, अगर आप नहीं सिलेक्ट होगे तो आपको जानना ही होगा कि आपको क्यों सिलेक्ट नहीं किया गया, वेयर डिड यू लैक, वेयर डू यू वांट टू इंप्रूव. बट इवन इफ यू गेट सिलेक्टेड, द पॉइंट दैट एवरीबडी मिसेस इज कि सिलेक्ट होने के बावजूद भी यू शुड नो वेयर डू यू स्टैंड, आप खड़े कहाँ हो. बिकॉज किसी भी जर्नी की शुरुआत करने से पहले आपको अपने हाई पॉइंट्स और वीक पॉइंट्स बिल्कुल क्लियर होने चाहिए. I can see most of you saying a yes. I am assuming कि आप लोगों को मेरी बात समझ आ रही है. The idea is to keep the process very transparent from the scratch. बिकॉज जैसे कि मैंने शुरू में कहा था, आज सुबह आप उठे, यू गैदर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, यू चोज द आउटफिट, यू चोज कि आज तो करना है, बस जो भी हो जाए, मुझे अपना ऑडिशन तो कैसे भी करके कंप्लीट करना है. So there goes in your effort. To appreciate it, the audition report will act like a certificate and it will give you an idea of where do you stand. And of course, वो आपको भेजी जाएगी irrespective of आप select होते हैं या नहीं होते हैं. So each of you will be receiving it. And that's not it. It will hold a validity of lifetime. यानी कि आपको फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया के आने वाले किसी भी सीजनल पैजेंट का दोबारा ऑडिशन नहीं देना पड़ेगा. So imagine having a direct participation and not going through this hustle anymore because you have done it once. And on the same lines, once you clear the audition, you become a lovely member of our community, a participant of Forever Star India. Re-emphasizing the fact कि ये सिर्फ एक pageant नहीं है. This is a community that we are building through our pageants, through our award shows, where women like you who are just talented, no matter आपका stream of talent क्या है, आपकी aspiration क्या है, but the final goal is to create a mark in the society through your aspirations. So where women like you are going to contribute, come up together and put up a wonderful show. And on the same lines, सबसे पहली चीज जो हमने डिस्कस की, दैट वाज टू क्रिएट अ यूनिक आइडेंटिटी, जो कि आप लोगों ने अलग अलग तरीके से मुझे कन्वे करने की कोशिश की. नाउ हाउ मेनी हैव यू गूगल्ड योरसेल्फ एवर? अपना हाथ रेस कर सकते हो आप लोग. कभी गूगल किया है? किया है तो कंफ्यूज होके, या नहीं किया है तो ये सोच के कि अरे अभी हम कौन सा कोई बड़ा नाम बने हैं कि हम आपके ऊपर गूगल करें. बट व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू, एज सून एज यू बिकम एन ऑफिशियल मेंबर ऑफ फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया, once your profile will be created on our website as an official FCR participant, highlighting your modeling details and your profile pictures. अगर आप अपने आप को गूगल करेंगे, से तान्या, अबनावे, सुरभि, दक्षा, विभा, असीफा, मैं आई कैन गो ऑन एंड ऑन, जस्ट बिकॉज मैं नाम नहीं ले रही हूँ तो प्लीज ऐसा मत सोचिएगा कि आपका वो नहीं है. बट द पॉइंट इज, वंस यू विल गूगल योरसेल्फ, आपकी प्रोफाइल एज अ टॉप FCR पार्टिसिपेंट विल शो अप राइट ऑन द टॉप. इमेजिन किसी को ये बोलना, मेरा नाम गूगल कर लो, मेरा काम दिख जाएगा. Look at the value it holds. See, I can see all of you smiling already. And this is the kind of opportunities that we are offering. So I'm sure अपनी अलग पहचान बनाने का एक टिक तो यहीं पे आपने pull off कर लिया. And on the same lines, there will be numerous other business opportunities involved and benefits too. All of you will be receiving a personalized sash, a hard copy certificate delivered to each one of you, no matter you win or not. Winning is a distant thing for us, but before that, your journey matters. Because I'm sure आप लोग यहाँ जीतने के पर्सपेक्टिव से थोड़ा कम ज़्यादा यहाँ पे सीखने के लिए आए हैं. You want to learn, you want to grow, and you want to realize how this industry works, and put your best foot forward. And there will be a lifetime membership involved as well, which basically means कि Forever Star India की तरफ से जो भी opportunity generate होगी, उसका आपको डायरेक्ट एक्सेस मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप लोगों में से काफी लोग मॉडल बनने के बाद एक्टर का भी ट्राई करोगे ही करोगे. समडे यू विल बी लाइक, ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है, जैसे कि आज आप बैठे हो. एंड वी विल बी लॉन्चिंग आवर ओन OTT प्लेटफॉर्म रियली सून. आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी इज अवेयर ऑफ OTT. नेटफ्लिक्स, Amazon, Hotstar हमारे सर्वाइविंग टूल्स बन चुके हैं अब. So imagine getting a call for an audition of acting, playback, singing, script writing, direction, directly from a platform that is secure, you are already associated to. Because जैसे कि आप लोगों ने मुझे कन्वे करने की कोशिश की, सबसे बड़ा स्टीरियोटाइप है the negativity that this industry holds. Because अगर हम एक ऑडिशन का पोस्ट भी देखते हैं, सबसे पहले चीज में दिमाग में आती है, कहीं ये फेक तो नहीं है, मेरे डिटेल्स जानने वाले हैं, I need to be double sure about it. So imagine getting these kind of opportunities from a platform that you are safely associated with, and of course is women oriented. Now, a women oriented बोल ही दिया है, तो who better than my director to take over and talk about the platform in detail and talk about the finale, because अब सबको जानना है कि गाउन कब पहनेंगे और क्राउन कब पहनेंगे. उससे पहले and उसके बाद का process she will be taking over. So over to you, Kirti ma'am. Welcome on board.
Thank you so much, Harry, for talking so beautifully about the platform, and thank you so much everyone for appearing successfully for today's audition. I must say, all of you were really good. I can see some sorted women in front of me who know what they want exactly, right? So this is what this platform is about. We are here to empower talented women like you. We are here to inspire each other. This is what the community of Forever Star India means. Now, I will talk about the process which starts once you receive your audition reports. So in the next 24 to 48 hours, all of you will be receiving your audition reports irrespective of the fact that you're selected or not selected. After that, if you are selected in today's audition, then we will be completing your participation process. And after the participation process, we will instantly be starting with your training and grooming sessions. Right now, these training and grooming sessions are going to be virtual. Just like you're sitting across the screen right now and giving your audition, in the same manner, you will be appearing for these trainings. You will be appearing for your talent rounds, and gradually we will be selecting a city winner from your city virtually. Then we will be shortlisting a state winner from your state, and then of course the national winner. But whether you become a winner at city level, state level, or for that matter at national level, all of you are going to come together for the grand finale, which happens in the month of December from 17th to 20th of this month. And you will be wearing those beautiful couture gowns by the best designers of the country. Makeup artists are going to be there. You will be wearing those beautiful footwear and walking down the ramp. Imagine what that feeling is going to be like. आज जो आप वॉक कर रहे थे और जब आप ग्रैंड फिनाले में स्टेज पे वॉक करने वाले हैं, there is going to be a huge difference you're going to see in your personality. And how will that happen? We have 150 plus trainers here in Forever Star India, which includes ramp walk experts, motivational speakers, image consultants, and choreographers. So you just name the profile, we have the profiles here. Now, these trainers are going to train you and they'll help you in becoming the best version of yourselves, right? As we say that winning is not something that all of us are looking for, but certainly we have it at the back of our mind कि हमें crown जीतना है, मुझे Miss India बनना है, मुझे Mrs. India बनना है. After all, this is what Forever Miss and Mrs. India stands for. चाहे आप city से winner बने या state से winner बने, you will hold a specific position. You will be treated like a celebrity here. Yeah, you will have to be present for portfolio shoots, catalog shoots. We will collaborate with a few good brands and you will be shooting with them during the grand finale. Now, in order to reach there, in order to be there for the grand finale, we just have these 2 months, right? So what I would suggest is that as soon as you receive your audition reports and you complete your participation process, you should be very sincere while attending your training and grooming sessions, because we have participants who have been attending these training sessions for the last 2.5, 3 months, right? But you just have a time of 2 months with you now, right? Secondly, you must follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you understand better that what kind of training sessions we're doing here, what kind of trainers do we have here, and how are we going to go about the grand finale in December. Right? So as soon as the session ends, this is the first thing that all of you are going to do. Just take a screenshot of what Harry has shared. She has shared the details of all of our social media handles here. Also, I would like to mention one very important thing here, that in order to complete your participation process, there is a participation fee of 4,000 plus GST. Now, this 4,000 plus GST includes your training and grooming sessions and also your lifetime membership on this platform. Right? I'm sure now you understand after listening to Harry that what importance this lifetime membership holds for you, because this membership is going to make you eligible for further business opportunities that this platform has to offer, be it collaborating with Forever Star India as an official trainer, because you said that you're into singing, you're into dancing. When you said that you're a fashion designer, then you never know, we might just collaborate with you as a fashion designer and we might give you a plethora of opportunities on this platform, right? And when she talked about OTT, so in order to be able to act, to get an access to these opportunities, you need to be here on the platform, right? You need to attend these training sessions. We will be networking with each other, right? We will get to know each other better. जब आप December में आएंगे, then also we'll have amazing networking events here. There will be after parties also. So it is going to be a very exciting association for the both of us. I mean, for this platform as well as you. Now, with respect to the process and with respect to the grand finale, if there's anything that you would want to ask, please feel free to ask us any questions.
Ma'am, where would be the location for the finale?
Okay, so I forgot to mention the grand finale happens in Jaipur. It happens in the Pink City, Jaipur, Rajasthan, at Hotel Marriott.
Cool. Great. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you for those who have done. It was an absolute pleasure meeting you all. Have a lovely evening ahead, and I'm really looking forward to see you all in the training sessions. And jinka audition ho chuka hai, they can leave. And for the rest of you, I'll be beginning again. So let's hear it from Aditi. Hi, Aditi. Aditi, आप म्यूट पे हो. Please अपना mic on कर लीजिए.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
I'm fine. What about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can I please have your introduction?
Okay. As I told you, my name is Aditi Kapoor, and I'm 24 years old, and I'm from Firozpur, Punjab, and I'm a mechanical engineer by profession, and currently I'm preparing for defense forces too. And after that, my hobbies include dancing, cooking, photography, and sometimes I like working out also. And the reason why I want to join this pageant, it's basically I want to realize my feminine energy. I've always been taking the fields that men not. So I've always been kind of like a tomboy till now. So I want to really get into the feminine part of me. That's the main reason. I want to gain confidence, basically.
Okay, Aditi, first of all, you do not look like a tomboy at all. You're looking very pretty, and love the way you've presented yourself.
Thank you.
I would request you to start with your ramp walk right away.
Okay. Thank you. Is the music audible?
Yes, yes, it is.
I'll start from there. Is it done?
Thank you, Aditi. Thank you so much. You can put that continue, and you can also leave the meeting. Thank you for your time. I'm looking forward to see you in the training sessions.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Let's hear it from Priya. Hi, Priya. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good.
Okay, so you can start with.
कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ, बढ़िया. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पूछने के लिए. आप अपने इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ शुरू कीजिए.
मैम, मेरा नाम प्रिया है. वैसे तो मैं कानपुर से हूँ, बट अभी मैं गुड़गांव में जॉब करती हूँ और मैंने अपना 12th पास आउट किया है. अभी मैं ग्रेजुएशन कर रही हूँ एंड मैं यहाँ पर इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि जैसे कि बोलते हैं मॉडलिंग, मॉडल को आज हमारे मतलब अभी तो जो भी जान चुके हैं मॉडलिंग का मतलब, उनको छोड़कर जो भी सोचते हैं ना मॉडलिंग का मतलब, उनके लिए अच्छी थिंकिंग नहीं है मॉडलिंग. ठीक है. अभी मैंने अपना फर्स्ट पेजेंट शो किया था, जिसके बाद मुझे पता चला कि मॉडलिंग सिर्फ मॉडलिंग नहीं है, उससे क्या क्या चीजें हमें मिलती हैं सीखने को. जैसे कि हमें अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस होता है, हम लोगों को फेस करने के लिए ना बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आता है. जैसे कि फर्स्ट पेजेंट शो जब मैंने किया था ना, वहां पर बहुत से लोग थे जो देखकर मॉडल्स को बहुत ज्यादा होटिंग कर रहे थे, लाइक बहुत तरीके की बातें कर रहे थे. बट पता है क्या हुआ, जब वहां पर थे ना, तो तब ये सीखने को मिला कि दुनिया में कोई कुछ भी बोले, आपको उनकी बातें नहीं सुननी है, आपको जो करना है लाइफ में वही करना है, दूसरों पर ध्यान नहीं देना है। ये चीजें जो है ना वो नॉर्मल हम नहीं सीख सकते हैं, बट इस लाइन में आने के बाद ना बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आता है। जब हम मॉडलिंग करते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है कि लोग बोलते हैं बोलने दो, बट हमें करना है। और दूसरी चीज जो भी सोचते हैं ना कि मैं ये जो कर रही हूँ वो चीज सही नहीं है, और ये जो भी मॉडलिंग होती है ना वो मतलब रॉन्ग वे से ही होती है, तो मुझे उन्हें दिखाना है कि ये गलत तरीके से नहीं अच्छे तरीके से भी हो सकती है। डिपेंड करता है हम कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं और कैसे करना चाहते हैं।
Absolutely, absolutely, Priya, and thank you for being so honest. अब मुझे ये बताइए प्रिया कि आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या है मॉडलिंग के अलावा, अगर आप कुछ।
मेरी जो हॉबीज हैं वो पढ़ाई करना, किताबें पढ़ना और घूमना फिरना बहुत पसंद है, और गाने सुनना जो कि सबका ही होता है मोस्टली।
ओके, वंडरफुल। आपकी राम वॉक के साथ शुरू करते हैं।
यस मैम, श्योर। मैम गाना प्ले कर सकती हूँ?
जी जी बिल्कुल।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
Thank you, Priya. Thank you. Thank you so much. And looking forward to see you in the training sessions. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, let's hear it from Akshada. I hope I pronounced your name right. Hi.
Yes, hi. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Go ahead with your introduction.
I'm Akshita Gaikwad from Navi Mumbai. I'm currently working with finance company. The reason to be here is as I always wanted to be the one whom this world adores. Like everyone knows from my name. Like so, this is the most important and the prior reason to be here. Whenever I meet somebody in person, I always end up judging what they think, how they walk, how they talk, and how they express things. So basically, the thing is, I want to know from like what people think about me, like what I speak, what I think, and this is the most important thing I'm here. I always think you can be the best without being the worst.
Okay, Akshada, that is very sweet. And ho gaya, exam khatam. You can shed off your nervousness. You're so nervous. You look
Yeah,
so nervous. Okay, now tell me, what are your hobbies?
Yeah, I love dancing. I'm learning Bharatanatyam now.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So, आपकी राम वॉक के साथ शुरू करें?
Sure, just give me a minute.
So, thank you, Akshada. Your walk was quite confident rather than your introduction. So don't worry. And you Very good. So thank you so much for your time and have a lovely evening ahead. Bye bye. Looking forward to seeing you in the training sessions.
Hello.
Okay, I think आप मुझे सुन ही नहीं पाई अभी तक, but
Yeah.
आपकी बहुत काफी अच्छी थी. You were
Thank you so much.
you look lovely,
Yeah.
and I'm sure
Thank you so much.
see you in the training sessions. Thank you so much. Have a lovely
Thanks.
evening.
Yeah, bye.
Okay, let's hear it from Dia Mirza. Hi Dia, how are you?
Hi ma'am, how are you? I'm fine.
I am great too. Thank you for asking, and you can start with your introduction.
Myself, Dia Mirza. I'm from Nasik, Maharashtra. I'm doing chemical engineering. Means I have done with my diploma, and now I'm also doing masters in makeup. That's my hobby. I love to do it. And next, talking about my hobby is acting and dancing too. I love to dance and acting. I'm making reels also on Instagram. And next is yeah, this much.
This much. तो फिर अभी आगे क्या बनना है? Actor बनना है, model बनना है? What is the final aspiration, Dia Mirza?
I think I should be once तो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पर है तो I need to explore myself first. Actually, next is I'll be getting training and I'm not bit confident, so I want to be firstly trained and then I'll try for actor. Firstly, I want to be a model.
लेकिन final सपना acting का है.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And don't worry, you look extremely appropriate to be a model and an actor, so you don't have to be underconfident at all. बाकी जो बची कुची expertise है वो with time, with trainings आ जाएगी. So let's start with your ramp walk.
Yeah, just a second.
Sure.
Am I visible?
Yes, Dia, you are visible. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you
so much. It was lovely hearing from you, and I'm looking forward to see you in the training sessions. All the best. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Let's hear it from the very patient people so far. Sonali. Hi, Sonali. How are you? Sonali, आप mute.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking, and you can start with your introduction.
I am Sonali Chavan. I'm from Dombivli, Mumbai. I'm 36 years old, and I have one son who is 10 years old. I'm here because I want to show my spark in the Mrs. India, and that platform gets me a lot of success and value in myself, and I want to become a best example for the housewife. All housewives see me as a housewife and become a Mrs. India on your platform. And my hobbies are dancing, traveling everywhere, generally on cool places. Thank you.
Wonderful, Sonali. I love the vibe that you have. You have a very beautiful smile. It's just generating positivity across the screen. And let's start with your ramp walk, Sonali.
Just a second.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Yes,
so much. Thank you. Have a lovely evening ahead. Looking forward to meet you in the training.
thank you very much. Can I leave the meeting?
Yes,
Bye.
sure you can. So, hi Rashita. I hope I have pronounced your name right. Can you please unmute yourself? Rashita Shitole, right?
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Great. Can I please have your name? Matlab, I'm not sure if I pronounced it right.
Yes, Rushita. I'm from Maharashtra. Yeah.
Okay, Rushita. So tell me more about yourself.
First of all, hello, ma'am. I'm Rushita Shitole from Maharashtra, Solapur. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Same here.
I'm 18 years old. My height is 6 feet. I'm just 12 pass out, and I am NEET as career. And about myself, I'm very active participant. I'm a sport person, and I'm playing taekwondo. Means karate, Korean taekwondo hai. So, and I'm a very good biker. मैं बाइक बहुत अच्छे से चलाती हूँ और डरती किसी से भी डरती नहीं हूँ और फाइट में भी डरती नहीं हूँ मैं. और ताइक्वांडो में मैंने बहुत सारे गोल्ड मेडल्स भी जीते हैं. And I have represented my school debates, taekwondo, rangoli making, dancing and singing, writing, drawing, etc. And I'm driver tractor, my farm. And I like my farm. I like to work in my farm. Actually, मैं एक small town से belong करती हूँ. So इस small town से मैं अकेली हूँ ऐसे मुझे लगता है. सोलापुर से तो मैं अकेली ही हूँ. और I'm winning the crown because of me and my family pride. और family से भी अच्छा है तो इस small town से लोगों को भी मुझसे है मतलब कि लोगों को भी मुझसे एक एक्सपीरियंस भी है और इसलिए मैं एक गांव की लड़की के लिए रोल मॉडल बनना चाहती हूँ मैम. और मैं ये मानती हूँ कि सक्सेस एंड हार्ड वर्क रन्स पैरेलली and you dream big and you get things in your life. They cannot be happen. There are lots of things experience in my life. So thank you ma'am, thank you. And small town से मेरे मम्मी पापा मुझे बहुत support करते हैं. So I'm so lucky ma'am.
Thank you, Rushita. Thank you so much. And I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Okay. Can I play song?
Yes, you can.
Okay, thank you ma'am.
Take this.
Yes, you're visible. Thank you, Ruchita. Thank you so much. आपकी पर्सनालिटी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग और मैग्नेटिक है and I'm sure it's going to take you a long way. All the best. Looking forward to see you in the training sessions. Thank you so much.
Thank you ma'am.
Bye-bye. And yeah, you can leave. Hi Ashika, can you hear me? Can you please start your video?
Hello ma'am. Good evening ma'am.
Good evening. आपका वीडियो क्यों ऑफ था? आप इतने अच्छे लग रहे हो.
नहीं ऐसे ही बस मैं खा रही थी ना इसलिए ऑफ कर दी थी.
ठीक है चलो. और कैसे हैं आप? बढ़िया.
मैं ठीक हूँ, अपना बताइए.
बढ़िया. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पूछने के लिए. अब मुझे बताइए अपने बारे में.
Actually, my name is Ashika Singh. You can call me Ashi.
Okay, go ahead.
I am from Bihar, but currently I stay in Bangalore. I'm 18 years old. I'm student of Loyola Composite PU College because I'm still in 12th standard.
Okay.
My hobbies is cooking. I know everyone like eating and cooking. I love cooking and eating.
Okay.
And I love to listening music, and dance is my favorite. If someone plays some types of music, my legs are automatic. It's going on. So that's I love.
Okay. And what brings you here, Ashi?
Because actually मेरा ड्रीम है एक्टर बनने का.
Okay.
तो मैं ट्राई कर रही थी, बट एक्चुअली होता है ना कि पेमेंट ज्यादा लगता है कुछ लर्न करने के लिए. तो मैंने ऐसे ही जस्ट इंस्टाग्राम पे सर्च कर रही थी, तो पेज देखी, तो मैंने हाँ चलो ट्राई करते. ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है. मैंने ट्राई किया, फिर 13 को मैसेज आया. मैंने वो भी मतलब मुझे लगा क्या इतना जल्दी आ गया, कुछ तो ये होगा ना, मतलब कुछ लफड़ा तो नहीं होगा. मैं अपने भाई को दिखाई. मैम एक्चुअली फोन पे थी. मेरा भाई बोलता गया कि नहीं ये फ्रॉड का है, बार बार कॉल कर रही है, फ्रॉड होगी फ्रॉड होगी. मैम सुन ली. मैम बोली कि तुमको यकीन नहीं है तो मैं लिंक सेंड करती हूँ. मैं बोली ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मेरा भाई थोड़ा पागल है. ऐसे बोल के मैनेज की. फिर मैम ने बोला कि कर लो, अभी एक्चुअली ऑफर चल रहा है, बाद में ज्यादा हो जाएगा. तो मैंने फॉर्म फिल कर दिया. उसके बाद मैं एक्चुअली करना चाहती हूँ एक्टिंग का कोर्स, बट मेरे फैमिलीज में मेरी मम्मी के अलावा कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करता. बोलते कि वो उधर जाएगी बिगड़ जाएगी, उधर ज्यादा फ्रॉड ये होंगे, ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा. मतलब एक होता है ना माइंडसेट हो जाता है उनका कि ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा. इसलिए मेरे फैमिली मेरे नानू भी सपोर्ट नहीं करते, मेरे मामू भी सपोर्ट नहीं करते. फिर भी मेरी मम्मी बोलती है कि तुझे करना है तू कर, मैं तेरे साथ हूँ करके. मुझे अच्छा फील होता है. सो मैं चाहती हूँ कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है, खुद के लिए करना है, अपनी मम्मी के लिए करना है. सो मैं ये फॉर्म फिल कर दी. एक्चुअली इससे हम लोग का क्या होगा, बूस्टिंग ऑफ क्या बोलते हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. और जो इंक्रीजमेंट होगा, जो स्टेज पे जो फियर रहता है वो भी चला जाएगा. और इससे हम लोग खुद अपने आप को बाहर लेकर आएंगे. हाँ कोई बोलेगा तो बोलेगा हाँ ये देखो आशिका सिंह जा रही है करके, ऐसा फील होना चाहिए. कोई मेरी मम्मी को बोले हाँ ये औरत है, आशिका सिंह की मम्मी लगती है ना, ऐसा करके कुछ फील होना चाहिए ना. कभी अपना नाम सुने तो प्राउड सा फील हो, वैसा वाला फीलिंग.
ओके आशिका, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इतना ऑनेस्टी के साथ, इतना सच्चाई के साथ अपनी बात सामने रखने के लिए. एंड अब आपकी रामबॉक के साथ शुरू करते हैं.